Hi, my name's Vince and today I'm going to show you how to power cycle your Xbox One. Now when you do a power cycle, it basically completely shuts down the Xbox One and then you can start it up again. This can actually solve many of the common issues out there, such as your controller's not syncing up, problem with the internet connection, or if your disk is stuck. So do a power cycle first, because it doesn't take long and it's nice and easy to do, and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then you can do other fault finding. Now there's two ways of doing it. You can either power cycle via the Xbox One button here, or you can just use your controller. So I'm going to show you both ways in this video. I'm going to show you the way using the button first, because I believe it's the easiest way. But if, for example, your Xbox One is tucked away somewhere and you've just got your controller in your hand and you're being a bit lazy, then you can also do it via the Xbox One controller. So I'm going to show you, just to let you know, it doesn't erase any games or data. It does no harm to the Xbox One. Okay, so this is how you do it. All you need to do is you've turned on your Xbox One, you're having a problem with something, so go to the Xbox button here and hold it down for approximately 10 seconds. That's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Let go. Right, okay, so that's shutting down now. It's still whirring away. You can just probably hear that. So let it completely shut down. Apologies for this video being a bit boring. There we go. So that's completely shut down now. And again, just turn it on again. And then it will boot up. Now you need to see the green boot up screen when you turn it back on. So give it about a minute. There we go. Okay. So I now know that that's done a full power cycle, and hopefully that will solve the problem that you're having. Now, another way of doing it is you can actually do it via the controller. So I'm going to show you how to do it via the controller now, when it just finishes booting back up again. So give it a minute or so. Okay, so now we're on here. Now, if you want to do it via the controller, what you need to do is you need to be on your home screen here. Yeah? Okay. And you need to go down to your controller and you need to press the menu button, which is this button here. Would help if I had my controller on, apologies. Okay, press the menu button. And now you've got this screen here. You need to go down to Settings. Okay, and press the button A. Now you need to go down to Power and Start Up. Again, press the button A. Now you need to press again A for Turn Xbox Off. So again, A. Turn off your Xbox, yes or cancel. Leave it on yes. Press yes. And now that's exactly the same as holding the button down for 10 seconds. Okay, so that's going to shut itself down again. There we go. You hear that? It stops whirring now, so it's shut down. And again, to turn it back on, you can either do it via your button here, or like normal via your button here. Okay, and again you need to see the green boot up screen when you turn it back on. Hopefully by doing that, that will have solved whatever issue you're having, because a lot of the time that can solve, if you're having problems connecting to the internet, that can solve that, or if your controller's not syncing up. Okay, now if you do need to sync up your controller, I've done another video on that. If you have got your discs stuck in the Xbox, I've also got another video on that. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it's helped a few of you out. Thanks very much. Take care now. Bye.